In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Swiss Spectacle to create derivatives of standards documents for work instructions, test plans, and other uses. There are two ways you can accomplish this task. One using the Spectacle editor. The other is using Microsoft Word. Let's start with the Spectacle editor. To begin, open a standards derivative document in Swiss Spectacle. What you see here is a set of instructions for testing a hose adapter. These instructions were created by incorporating relevant content from several standards documents some time ago. Here, the included content is not a copy from the relevant section. It is the original standards content that is materialized for us on demand from a reference to its location, which we can see because we have the proper permissions needed to access it. Also, since this document was created some time ago, we see these notification icons. This yellow icon means that there is a new revision of the standards document, and the referenced content has changed. We can see the change by clicking on this icon. In this case, either was crossed out and replaced with "air." Seeing this helps us to precisely understand the significance of a change in the new revision of the source standard. Click here to dismiss the redlining view. Other icons that you may encounter are red and green signs. Red means that the content was deleted from the most current revision of a standard. Green means the content did not change in the newer revision. As you can see, this supports the notion of a single source of truth. The document is aware of its dependencies and any changes made to those dependencies. And it protects content owners from any unauthorized users accessing the information. Now, let's see how a document like this is created using either Spectacle Editor or Microsoft Word. We start by navigating to the original document. To create a derivative document in Spectacle, click the pen icon and enter the requested information. In the newly created document, you can start typing your text. Next, go over to the left side of the Spectacle window and navigate to the standards content you'd like to add to the derivative document. Let's use this table. As we mouse over it, you'll see a box appear. To include the table, just click and drag it over to your new document. Again, the action we are performing is not copying content, but including a reference to it. This eliminates any errors associated with copying from PDF documents, especially for tables, and provides the traceability described earlier. To perform a similar task in Microsoft Word, you first need to download and install the Swiss plugin for Word. Once installed, you'll be prompted to log into Swiss to evaluate your permissions in order to access and view standards content. Use your organization's procedures and templates for creating the appropriate documents, such as work instructions. Here we see one such previously created document. To include content from a Swiss document, such as a standard, select the desired content in Spectacle and drag it over to the MS Word document. As with the previous example, the reference to the authoritative content is included, and the content itself is materialized when viewed. The document may then be saved, shared, and used similarly to other MS Word documents. As you can see, the document is aware of its dependencies and their status. This completes the demonstration for creation of change-aware derivative documents. For more information, visit swiss.io on the web.